family? Welcome back to JR Sneaker Show. I am JR, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 350 V2 in the triple white colorway. So Yeezy said, Yeezy's for everybody. Everybody's getting Yeezys. That's what he said. And sure enough, that's what happened. So it was last Monday, I got an email from Adidas saying that, hey, if you want to go ahead and jump on this line and sign up for this email, you can go ahead and sign up for an early access to some Yeezys. Thursday, I got an email from them saying, jump in. So I jumped on the email. It took me straight to the website, and next thing you know, I was online and in line, and I was just waiting for a pair. I ended up getting a pair in a size 10, and turns out they weren't that hard to get. So I was looking online. I saw shout out to S Kicks. I follow him on YouTube, and a couple other YouTubers, and they Unbreakable Kicks, he even posted up that there was a bunch of pairs on EasyMafia.com, and so there was a ton of pairs right there, and so they were super easy to get. I already had a pair. I shouted out to some friends of mine who wanted some Yeezys, gave them the website, and they ended up getting some pairs. So it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool to see that happen. Typically, you strike out on some Yeezys, you get in line and the thing just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning and never able to get them. So I know it's the triple white colorway. It's not a very popular colorway just because it's all white, but it is what it is. I got them right here in this blue tint colorway. So I got these a while back, and y'all probably already seen a lot of these, and if not, go ahead and check out a review. I threw up a review a while back on these. Super comfortable shoe, just really nice to wear, and I'll go ahead and take them out, that way I can have them out for comparison for these other shoes. But yeah, super comfortable. I like the Yeezy V2. I didn't own the first version, and still didn't ever get my hands on a pair, so I only started getting the V2s recently. This is only the second pair. I do have some Adidas in the collection. Most of my shoes are Jordans, but there are some Adidas that I do like, and the Yeezys are one of them. And then I got, a couple Alpha Bounces, so these are pretty cool. And then I got some Boosts. So, and where would you like? These are really comfortable shoes. The Jordans are really comfortable too. Not all the Jordans are the most comfortable. Some of those I just more iconic for when I grew up and wanted to collect them and get them in the collection. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing and show you what we got today, because that's what you came here for, right? Let's get right into it. So let's see. So nice. All right. Woo-hoo! What do we got here? Nice. So right here we got the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the sea white colorway. It says originals on the box, and right here it's just your 350 box, pretty much like the one I just showed you. It comes in this hardcore cardboard box right here with no colors, and so it's pretty simple. So that's pretty cool. It looks like a recycled box, maybe. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe Yeezy likes to recycle. So let's see what's up. You ready for this? I haven't seen these yet. This is my first time, so you're seeing this first time live with me, so go ahead and take a look. Brown paper. Woo! Wow, look at that. Man. That's clean. That's white. That's white right there. Man. Look at that. That's a good looking shoe. So yeah, check that out. That's a cool looking shoe. That is really, really white. Wow. Another shoe. So here we go right here. We got the Yeezy V2s, 350s in the all white. And so you can see right here. So a lot of people have been talking about this, saying that you could see the Supply 350 on there. I don't see it. So I don't see anything. I just see nothing. I don't see nothing right there. So, but yeah, this is super clean. So you can see right here, it's got the white netting right here. Really, really clean looking shoe. Yeah, so try stepping in these without getting them dirty. Definitely you have to spray some like Crep Protect or some kind of a, you know, sealant on them to go ahead and keep these white. These won't stay white for very long, so they're probably getting dirty just me touching them, you know? So yeah, look at that, super clean. It says Yeezy on the inside, size 10 right here. So right there, 10 US, right there. Boom. Go out for a pass. Yeezy. Yeezy. Bless you. So right here, look at that. Pretty clean. I really like it. It's a good looking shoe, clean colorway. I'm gonna go ahead and do a HD close-up review. That way you can see what the shoe looks like up close. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do an on feet. Go ahead and put them on with a couple sweatpants that I got on. And that way you can see what they look like with some pants. So right off the bat, you can see that 3M right there on that stripes coming through. And you can see it on my other version right here, on the blue tints right there, coming through there. So pretty cool. You know, a lot of people were saying that you could see the Supply 350 on there. I'm not seeing it. I see the little box, and that's what I'm talking about, that thing right there. But I'm not actually seeing what they're talking about on there. So, but anyway, it's got this pull tab right here, and it's just all white. So triple white. They weren't playing when they said that. So these are straight up some house shoes right here, man. You wear these outside the house, good night. It's over. And you can see it's got that knitting right there. It's a really thick knitting when you feel it. It's like one of them old blankets, like, you know, like you used to have at your grandma's house that just itch, you know. But when you put them on, I mean, you can't feel it inside. It's a different material on the inside, you know. It's the inside liner. So the thing about these shoes is they got that padding right there, and just super comfortable right there. You see that padding right there for your ankle? It's like a little pillow for your ankle, so that your ankle doesn't get a cricked neck if your ankle had a neck. So and then you got right there the Adidas Yeezy right there, and you can see all of the lights right there, and then you got the cream right there, kind of like a yellowish tint right here. So when you put a light up to it, but when there's no light, it just looks just clear, milky. So if this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll drink some milk out of these Yeezys. I'm lactose intolerant, so that'd be a good video right there. So we got right here, so you can see the Ultra Boost down in the bottom, and then right there on the bottom it says Boost. Booyah! And then right there you can see the Ultra Boost all up in it. Super comfortable shoe right here. So this is literally like walking on clouds right here. I mean, you can't get any closer to walking on clouds than walking on these colorway Yeezys right here. Super clean. And I know, like, as of yesterday, so it's what's today? Today's Tuesday, and I bought these on Thursday, and they shipped out to me, so it took the weekend, and then today, and they got here. So so yeah, there's a lot of pairs. There was a lot of pairs, you know, rumored to be a million pairs or something like that. You know, look at these laces too. These laces are cool. They go in there, and they come out, and they're right here. So it's not really, you know, it would be cool if I could do a lacing video, like how to lace the Yeezys. That would be super cool. Just a different way to lace the Yeezys. How many different ways you can come up with. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do a video like that. That'd be pretty sweet. I haven't seen a lot of stuff like that. But yeah, super clean, super milky. And that's it. And then it's got this little tag that it came with right here. Size 10. Easy Boost 350 V2. So super clean shoes, super clean. So this was my only other pair of Yeezys before. This one right here, and these have gotten a little bit of wear. I haven't worn them too much. I like to keep my sneakers clean. You can see right there, I put the box tape in there so I can protect the, you know, the lettering on the inside. So, but yeah, these are. You see, I got these worn right here. Oh, give me chills just thinking that that's what this shoe's gonna look like. Alright, so here's a close-up HD review at the all-white Yeezys right here. So these are gonna be my new house shoes right here. These are not going outside. I'm just gonna wear these around the house. Super clean, super comfortable. Never had a more comfortable shoe. So far, so good. Look at that. So here's the left foot. Stick the left foot out. You stick your right foot out. Stick your left foot in, and you shake it all about. So there you go with the up close review and on foot of the Yeezy 350 V2 triple whites. Wow. Thanks for coming in and checking out JR Sneaker Show. Today we took a look at the all white triple white Yeezy 350 V2s. Thanks for coming and checking out my sneaker channel. Like I said, you could have been with anybody else, so I thank you again for checking it out. JR Sneaker Show. God bless you and you have a wonderful day. I'm out.